Ted Kribash here with ChoreRelief, and I just had a quick, interesting conversation I had today with one of the top brokers here in Chicago, and I want to share some of those info with you today. Now, a couple of things. As a real estate broker, you're looking for a way to bring in value, not just to you, but also to your customers, your clientele. And the number one concern is usually cost for maintenance, or how do we get the property ready for sale in such a short amount of time. And if you actually deal with rental properties, how would you get that property ready for rents in such a short window, like turnaround usually like 24 hours, not even. So what we did is we introduced them to ChoreRelief. And for some of you that don't know what ChoreRelief is an app built with you in mind. So it's actually, the cool thing about it is you get to actually post a job, which takes literally less than 30 seconds, with your budget and your availability and your schedule. And what we do is we dispatch that job to thousands of local contractors that are vetted and insured right through ChoreRelief. And the cool thing about it is moment later, you're going to get acceptance of your offer. So most of the contractors will either accept it as is or submit you a counter offer. But the idea is you've already know, you don't have to deal with haggling negotiation. These are real people interested in your project, and things can start as little as 1 hour. And if this task requires nobody to be in the property to let them in, they actually can go there and get it done, and you can share instructions right through the communications that we have built in the app. They go out there, they get it done, and they send you a photo. You approve the work, and it's done. But also what's cool things to remember is this is also a management tool. So you see all of your expenses, and you also have data of whom you recruit and how frequently that property requires some sort of this stuff. So if you are a broker, whether you're dealing with rental properties and you're looking for a way to get them cleaned up or touch of paint, check out ChoreRelief. It's free to use. There is no service charge or convenience fee. You pay what the job is. So again, check it out. It's called ChoreRelief.